Today we're going to look at something really special. We're going to get up close and personal with one of the rarest sets of lights I have ever come across, and they are Pifco Festive Lights. So yeah, I mean, you go on eBay now, you'll find London lights, Cinderella lights, crystal lights. You won't find these. I didn't even know these lights existed until I found them about 2 years ago, and I got these for about £12 posted. I've never seen them before. I've never seen them since. It took an extensive amount of Google search to try and actually find out who makes these lights. I mean, I had an idea they were Pifco because they come in the generalized same colors that Pifco lights do. They're a very unusual set of lights. They almost look like, from this angle, they almost look like Pom-Pom light shades until you turn them. They also look like, I think they're Christmas gems. They look like Christmas gem shades with these big flat rectangles on them. But that was, I mean, you can see they've got like little points in between the blades as well. I mean, what made me think they were Pifco is you can see the red anti-snag cord device inside. It's like a C-shaped piece of plastic. It's the best set of lights to actually have a good look at what that looks like. Here, let me get a clear one so I can actually see inside. That one's got a crack in it. You can see it's like a C-shaped clip that the cable wraps around and then pops out to stop it from being pulled out. So it's one of the clues I thought they were Pifco, and plus the shape of the inner part. But yeah, never seen them before. I got them because I thought they looked cool. But they got similar colours to the sparkle lights we had on in a previous video. We've got free green, free clear, free pink. We've got 4 red, 3 orange and 3 blue. Again, I had a good look for them online. I found these pictures of them in a box, and they obviously made 2 versions of them. Those ones are later versions. They look like they're from the early 80s, mid 80s. They've got green bulb holders, which the green bulb holders were on the last batch of screw-in lights that Pifco made, because previously there were white bulb holders pretty much across the board, and the shades are removable on those, whereas these ones, it's integral bulb holder and shade. But they're really cool lights, and just thought I'd share them all with you today and get up close and personal with them. Again, another Pifco Trait is the extra little bit of cord. So I had an idea they were Pifco, couldn't confirm, but you know, after I found those pictures of that set in the box, let's get them going. Now, I did have trouble getting these going at first. When I first got them, they needed a lot of love. They needed I mean, I've refurbished all the bulbs. These are brand new pink bulbs, because the bulb paint I have is like more of a purple colour. When it comes to the pinks, I actually managed to find some brand new pink bulbs. Now, these have only been out for 1 year. They were used 2 years ago, and as you can see, the pink bulbs do not last. They fade really quickly. I might get my purple bulb paint, just paint the middle band and leave the rest of it. But yeah, brand new bulbs that they just don't last. The pink ones are pretty much always the first to go, followed by the blue. It's weird, and it's a shame the bulb paint doesn't come in that colour, because the bulb paint I've got, I find doesn't fade. There's if you click up here, you can see links to the 2 refurbishment videos I did for the Christmas special for last year. But yeah, let's see if they'll work first time. Alright, the problem was, funny enough, another broken bulb in its holder. It was a red one. I've got a replacement one here. Check out the video up here if you want to know how to get broken bulbs out of screw-in lights. There we go. There's these lights all lit up. I don't know if any of you have seen any of these lights before. Let me know if you've seen them before. Let me know if you've got a set. And if you like stuff like this, you like looking at these lights and me going through them, let me know in the comments below. You can always subscribe. I'm uploading quite regular now. Subscribing's free. I wouldn't turn the bell on. I upload every Saturday, 6:15. These lights have got the smell of old lights emanating from them. Yeah, there you go. A very rare set of lights. You won't see these as often as you do Cinderella lights and London lights, but there you go. There's another video for you. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.